So that we can start with 62nd Board of Directors meeting venue, and then we conclude with the reorganization. Let's begin with the next venue for the 62nd 622 Board of Directors. Any suggestion or Walden?
Thank you, Mr. President. The Board of Directors meetings usually rotate among the islands, and the state of Kushai is in line to host. I received an email from Speaker Tulen Sabalik that they've accepted to host next year. Thank you.
Any further suggestion for the venue?
If I may, President?
Mr. Speaker, Katie?
Yeah, in the event that Koshrai is not able to, I'm sure they are ready as they have stated, since they're not here with us, but in the event they're not ready, RMI, Nigero, would love to welcome you all.
So be it. Venue A, the absent entity, and venue B is the present entity, which is venue A, Kushai, they're absent, and venue B, RMI, they're here. So shall we approve that order? So moved and seconded that we approve that setup. Kushai, you know, Kushai is a sleeping lady state, and if they fall asleep, then we go to our. Those in favor say A. Opposed say sure. So be it. This assembly approved Kushai to be the next Board of Directors venue. And we'll just ask the Central Secretariat to coordinate with the host on the date, but make sure it will not fall during Easter week. Ladies and gentlemen, the final agenda on this General Assembly is organization of the APIL officers for 2022 to 2023. Open for nomination.
Mr. President,
Mr. Vice Speaker.
before I move to nominate the person I believe to continue or to be the president, but let me say a few words. During the COVID-19, the APIL stops for over 2 years. And in February, through the Zoom meeting, you were newly selected as a board member to represent Pohnpei, and the generous and kindness of this assembly voted you and placed you to be the president. And in the legacy of the presidency, if this will end today, you will be the shortest president in the APIL. In saying that, so on behalf of the people of Pohnpei, the leaders and the two board of directors, your colleagues, I humbly request and nominate that all the members, please be kind to extend, giving 5 months or 1 more year only to continue the presidency. I think after the virus, the shutdown, this is a new beginning. So I move and I nominate the present President, Senator Seljan Chinet, to the position of the President of APIL.
Nominated and second, one ex-president, one nomination. Speaker Kenneth Keating.
President, recognizing this is a time to nominate an officer, an important one, that should jive with our guiding principle, which is our Constitution, our bylaws. And if I may ask that we recess for a little bit and get into executive, just the directors, and everyone else stay behind. Then we discuss the issue, and then we come back and continue on with the nomination.
Second.
If that can be done.
Short recess.
Walton, is there a space
Yeah,
where...
may I
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ we me no na kwal we can do nane uraman iman kasi we pay kasani kata sabi baso
Does it ever feel like sometimes you're always fighting to access the internet? Does it ever feel like your connections are dropping all the time? Well, I think it's time you try an upgrade. Introducing FSMTC's latest Kaboom services. FSMTC has been working hard to bring you the fastest internet service yet. Enjoy faster internet download speeds of up to 20 megabits per second. Experience high-speed internet made possible just for you. The best and most reliable internet service available, and at the most affordable rate by far. Choose the internet service that is right for you. Itching to share photos with your friends? Ready to stream videos with your family? Anxious to go toe-to-toe with the world's gaming communities in a massive online battle royale? No problem. Simply sign up with FSMTC today and get connected with everyone around the world. FSMTC. We are you.
FSMTC.
Do you want to promote your business? V6AH is here for you. Do you have a specific product you want to promote, or ads you want to advertise? We can advertise it on our platforms, on local radio at no cost for limited time only. Call us today at 320-2296 or email us at ponepayradio@gmail.com for more information.
dinuwag Wudiliyon bara Ay bozo zinanaroma Eselak siwanen bukway Pagkasandu mulamin buruk Isanasawarin aramis Pagkanan kana Ako nakiwatagantay-tantaya Wala malawin sa balay bigalaw Litigin mazil Ay bozo zinanaroma Puede bozo pasisa Mazel Sisse dinuwag Am sele kamali Wasapam sele sarabal Lukun gwele ligin mazel Pagkasandu malaming buro Masaray sinisiwar aramis Paganan kana Ako nakikintay-tanaya Wala malam sa batay ligalap Litigin mazil Ay bozo zinanaroma Puede bozo masisa Puewat kalikadumea Izuneza Evarendo gilay dazing bata Agalamam sisa Puewat kalikadumea
The request for the short recess is concluded, so I am hereby calling the assembly into session. We are in the last agenda item, reference to nomination of officers. I was asked to recognize Speaker Kenneth Cady.
Thank you, President. I'd like to, on record, say that the salutarity of APIL is the utmost importance to all of us, and at the same time recognizing the great leadership of our Ponape State leaders and the three previous president of APIL during this difficult time of the COVID. And also, as I stated before, we went into break, the importance of us as lawmakers to ensure that we follow the law. And what we have before us as the supreme law of the APIL is the APIL articles and bylaws, which have clearly stated that first, the rotation of officers should take place annually, but then also that APIL members can change that. But if you also look at the Article 10 of our bylaws, it's stating more clearly that maximum of 2 years of term is permitted for each, not individual, but each entity. So in that regard, with the consensus of the family, as family, in this august body of ours, APIL, we have decided that we will go along and follow what is specifically implored on us as lawmakers to follow. That is our bylaws. And in that regard, there was an understanding and consensus in the closed-door executive meeting of how we're going to approach this. And each individual will be nominating their officers on behalf of all of us. But before that nomination take place, again, we recognize the nomination from Ponape, and with the consensus, we will now continue to follow our bylaws and work together as one and family members. But before we continue with the nomination, if I may ask that all of us will rise and give a round of applause to our president and the previous presidents. And thank you for the excellent job and your previous predecessors that also took the arm, Speaker Scalliam and Edgar, and now you. So we want to thank you again. So please continue with the election. Thank you.
I already called to order, so we'll continue with the last agenda item for this 39th General Assembly. So what that being said, I will ask Ponape delegation to withdraw the nomination.
Thank you, Mr. President. You're a good president and a good reverend. With respect, I withdraw my motion.
Position of the Vice President remains open. Any nomination? Grandfather of APIL?
Mr. President, I nominate Nelson Stephen to be our next president.
Nominated and second that the current Vice President to be the next President of APIL. Any more nomination? If none, let's give him a big round of applause and congratulations. post of vice presidency. Talofa, your turn.
Talofa. Okay, I nominate Senator Vinny Sablan from the CNMI for the position.
Is he here?
Yes.
Oh, okay, sorry, I didn't. And moved and nominated and seconded. Any more nominations? That's not principle of democracy. No other nominations. Just kidding. With that, let's give him a congratulatory round of applause. Next post is the secretary. Any nomination? Kiripati?
Mr. Honorable outgoing President, I nominate current Treasurer, Chelsea Area Lambon, to be the next Secretary of the APIL. I nominate Chelsea Area Lambon for the post of next.
I understand. I'm waiting for the second to the nomination. Nominated and seconded by a nod that the incumbent treasurer will be the next Secretary of State, not Hillary Clinton, but Secretary of State. Any more nomination? Robert Underwood, not Underwood, Honorable Justice Robert Torres, any nomination? Let's all give her a big round of applause for and congratulations. Last position or post is I call Shuta's post, the treasurer. Now, who's going to be the next treasurer? Any nomination? Oh, President Apil, go ahead.
Thank you, President of the SM. I'm not going to give a name, but I nominate Yap to be the next treasurer of the APIL. Yap will decide who's that name going to be on the treasury position. Thank you.
Nominated and seconded that the state of Yap will be the treasurer. How is that in line with the constitution of the APIL or bylaws? Okay, whatever. So Yap state is going to be the treasurer. If no other nomination, let's give Yap a round of applause. We have concluded the reorganization of this honorable caucus body. And that being said, my final word is none other than Thanksgiving. Thanks to all of you who travel abroad to come to the state of Pohnpei, and for us, the speaker, vice speaker, floor leader, and the senators of the 10th Pohnpei legislature. I thank you for the vote of confidence to nominate me for the board of directors of APIL. And we have more parties to attend, so with that, I will officially rule that this 39th General Assembly is hereby officially adjourned.
Can I ask everyone to please come forward for a group picture? To courtesy visit.
feel like your connections are dropping all the time? Well, I think it's time you try an upgrade. Introducing FSMTC's latest Kaboom services. FSMTC has been working hard to bring you the fastest internet service yet. Enjoy faster internet download speeds of up to 20 megabits per second. Experience high-speed internet made possible just for you. The best and most reliable internet service available, and at the most affordable rate by far. Choose the internet service that is right for you. Itching to share photos with your friends? Ready to stream videos with your family? Anxious to go toe-to-toe with the world's gaming communities in a massive online battle royale? No problem. Simply sign up with FSMTC today and get connected with everyone around the world. FSMTC, we are you.
FSMTC.
Does it ever feel like sometimes you're always fighting to access the internet? Does it ever feel like your connections are dropping all the time? Well, I think it's time you try an upgrade. Introducing FSMTC's latest Kaboom services. FSMTC has been working hard to bring you the fastest internet service yet. Enjoy faster internet download speeds of up to 20 megabits per second. Experience high-speed internet made possible just for you. The best and most reliable internet service available, and at the most affordable rate by far. Choose the internet service that is right for you. Itching to share photos with your friends? Ready to stream videos with your family? Anxious to go toe-to-toe with the world's gaming communities in a massive online battle royale? No problem. Simply sign up with FSMTC today and get connected with everyone around the world. FSMTC, we are you.
FSMTC.
Do you want to promote your business? V6AH is here for you. Do you have a specific product you want to promote, or ads you want to advertise? We can advertise it on our platforms, on local radio at no cost for limited time only. Call us today at 320-2296 or email us at ponepayradio@gmail.com for more information.